2007. We're heading for Woodland-Davis, California for the 49er Scale Masters Qualifier. Jeff Lovett, contest director. It's always been fun. I'm also a proud sponsor of World War I Aero magazines and its companion, Skyways. World War I goes from 1900 to 1920, and Skyways covers 1920 through 1940. The best magazines you can ever subscribe to. Well, here we are, Mavis Henson Field, Woodland-Davis, California. Friday evening. A little bit of wind down the runway. Gorgeous weather. We had a few test flights here. We had the static. And we're looking for a good weekend. And who do we have here? Shalise! He finally came out to fly with us, right, Shalise?
Correct. He accepted the invitation.
Yeah.
Actually, Neil's the one that's going to be doing the flying this time.
I see. And Jeff's going to be our contest director, right, Jeff?
If I show up tomorrow.
You better show up. You going to fly with us?
No, I'm going to be busy.
Okay.
Hey, maybe I'll take on his airplane.
Yeah, right, you're talking.
Somebody better fly it.
There are NOTAMs out that there will be no seaplane flying this weekend. And you can see why. Hey, Bob Racer. And Larry Shepard. Bob's going to do a test flight tonight with his 1.5 strutter. Grass is awfully soft and plush. A lot of drag. This is the Proctor VK kit. 1/6 scale, laser 70. It's a little gusty up right now. Very nice. Okay, that's enough test flying for Bob. We'll have it all ready to go tomorrow morning. Uh-oh. Well, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, Saturday. We're waiting for the wind to die down. No flying so far. Stay tuned. This is Jeff Weiss's TA-52 Kurt Tank airplane. Built by Focke Wulf, I bet. Jeff is from Sacramento. Beautiful airplane. Larry Sutherland brought his new ME-109 or BF-109, whichever way you want to look at it. Dave Patrick kit. G. There it says it flies great. And we got that great big beautiful Taylor craft here. It was here last year. Great flying aircraft. Elise Patel brought his P80, and he will have his son Nil fly it for him in team scale if the wind ever stops blowing. I guess it's not a P8, it's a P9B. Looks like a P80. Well, it's Sunday morning. We had to stop flying Friday night. We didn't fly at all Saturday. It's
Everybody huddled underneath that little
blowing 60 miles an hour. And we got our CD Jeff here. He's going to tell us what to look forward to this morning. Right, Jeff?
Well, we can look forward to the taxi trials.
Taxi.
We're gonna line up all the cars and create a windbreak. And
How
then it'll
about-
be procedure turns, figure eights, and straight flight out,
How
straight
about
roll out.
how about racing fuselages?
Racing fuselages.
Yeah, take the wing of all race
We'll have
fuselage.
two divisions. There'll be tail skid and be tricycle.
Hey, this is the first for all of us, I think.
I have never
Yeah.
seen this in my life.
We appreciate
Hope
what
I
you've
never
done.
do.
Appreciate what you've done. Anyway, we're gonna probably head out here shortly. Well, we've decided to call it quits because of the wind, and we give away all the trophies and prizes to the high static guys, and they took their first choice, and then the rest of the guys got to dig in for the glue and stuff. So we'll see you guys next time. Snake. Very nice. Dirty flyby for the Corsair.
For everyone's information,
Nicely done.
Taylor flying that rig up there is our current reigning champion.
Well, the Corsair is coming home. Touch and go. Nicely done. Our reigning champion. Corsair is coming home. He's down. Dave Ribby on a flyby. Give it 8, I guess. Okay, last year's grand champion is coming home. Nice one. Brakes. cut off pretty soon. Oh, he's going to move it. Dave's warming his hands. Mosquito. Tom Wolf is into position. He's in the air. The Haviland Mosquito. Radial engine. Nicely done.
I'm going to come around and do a pass, and then I'm going to do a fly pass. We're completing the procedure.
Must be his flyby. This is Lou Santrangelo from Long Island, New York. You're watching the 27th Annual U.S. Scalemaster Championships 2006 at the Academy of Model Aeronautics Flying Site, Muncie, Indiana. Looks like a procedure turn. N3N. No, not a procedure turn. When I was growing up, that was my favorite airplane, PT-17.
Yeah.
Just a couple years ago. In fact, it was the first model I ever tried to build.
Was it?
Yeah, 10-cent comic kit,
Oh, great.
1938. Touch and go.
Touch and go complete.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Excellent. Rear one speedster. Beach D-18 taxiing into position. Nice, nice, nice. Gear up. Beautiful aircraft. Howard Davidson. Bye-bye.